Yeah, recording started. So how to create the file? Touch file 1. I created two files just now, file and file 1. How to delete the file? ifm rm file name, so it is deleted. If you want to delete rm hyphen rf, hyphen rf is forcefully deleted the file. So now check it, it is deleted. So again I am creating file. Again I created file. Now how to write the content outside from outside the file? Cat greater than file name, and I am writing the content, and control D to save. And how to check the file? Content cat. So this is the DevOps class I write here, and how to check the file how to check the file content cat file. So I want to add more content. Cat double greater than file name and enter, control D. Again check the file content same. So I want to enter the more content and I want to edit the file. Vim is the editor command. File name, see it is opened. Now I want to write the extra matter here. Insert option I is the insert option, otherwise insert option is there in our laptop keyboard. I or insert anything, delete beside insert option is there in the laptop. Insert, enter directly. If you want to write time is 10 p.m. Then how to save it? Escape button, shift column WQ, shift column WQ, enter. Now check the file content. So it is saved, and clear the screen. It is going to top. Clear the screen. Same we have files. We have file and we have file content. Same. I want to add more content here. Here mouse will not work. Just we need to go to the up arrow and down arrow. I am entering some more content like this, and save. Escape shift column WQ. So again open the file. If you want to without saving Q, it is going to without saving. So see, check it once. I am going to write some matter here. Insert option and some matter. So some matter I entered, but I don't want to save. What I enter up to here, I don't want to save. Simply escape. Escape shift column W. Sorry, I gave the WQ. Wait. So I want to enter more matter here. Instead option I entered some file lines here, but I don't want to save. This file lines are unwanted lines, I don't want to save. Simply Q. See, simply Q. It is not going because of we overwritten here something. So Q. The symbol file VIM file. See what we write some unwanted matter, it is not saved, right? Like that we are going to save. So here clear or control L to clear the screen. Now again open the file. How to check the how many lines are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. It will take time. If it is 1000 lines or 100 lines, it will take some time. How to check the file? Set number, shift column, set number. See, it is going to set number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 like this. So how to delete the lines? Simply, if you go to backspace, it is going to delete one by one by one by like this. But I want to delete at a time. Simply double D. In escape mode, simply double D. Simply click the double D. It is going to delete it. But I want to delete all lines at a time. 100 DD. See, 10 lines are there. I am giving 10 DD here. It is not going to delete. So I am deleting manually like this DD. So again open the line, again open the file. I didn't save this one. I deleted, but I didn't save this one. Again, whatever matter is there, it came. If you give 100 DD, it will delete 100 lines. If you give 1000 lines, 1000 DD, it will delete 1000 lines. Now I am going to copy single line. See, I copied whole from starting to here. It is copied everything here. See, again come here, single line, YY, paste. Wait, we'll delete some lines. Again we'll write. For clarification, I am going to write again. This is DevOps class. Simply save this one and cat file content. So now VM inside we are doing deleting. Simply DD. So and U for undo, U for undo, and DD delete, U for undo. Okay. Now again open. Wait. See, this is the DevOps I write. Now I am going to add one more line here. This is line 1 and save this one and open same like this. So 2 lines I write. How to check the how many lines are there? Set number. Totally 5 lines are there, but I don't want to this 3 lines. Only 2 lines are there now. So in this 2 lines, now what I am doing, if you want to delete DD and if you want to save YY is going to save, and I am pasting here. Already before lines is saved, that's why it is not, that's why it is coming like this. Linux notes here. And YY for saving. Go to first line. If will come to, see, I am in first line. If I want to go to last line, Shift L. Shift L is going to last line. Again come to first line, just I am giving shift L here. It is going to last line. Shift L means capital L. If you will give capital L also, capital L also, it is coming to last line. See, I will show here comments. See, to edit the files, VIM editor is there to edit the files, and I use it to insert the content. I is used to insert the content, and escape is used to get out the insert mode. And we have three modes: save mode, insert mode, save mode, and insert mode, and command mode. How to save? Shift W. And how to quit? Shift column Q. And at a time save and exist. So shift column WQ, and forcefully W, and forcefully quitting shift column Q, and forcefully save and quit. And so in the insert mode, to come to the I, and capital I, which to move the beginning of the line, but here in the color code it is not coming. If it is our server, it will come. In the color code it is not coming. Wait. Capital I. Okay, it is coming. See, I am in end of the line. If I want to come to, see, if I am in end of the line, just give the escape mode, capital I or shift I or capital I, it is going to come the beginning of the line, and capital A, in the escape mode, capital A, it is going to end of the line. Beginning of the line is I, and end of the line is capital A, capital I and capital A. Right? Now in escape mode, small o going to create down of the new line in down of the current line. So, and capital O in the escape mode, capital O, it is going to create top of the current line. So I am working on the second line. Now I want to create one more line in the first one. I am going to create like this. See, like this. So if you give enter also it will come, or shortcut is small o. Small o, it is coming like this. See here, I, capital I, and move to the end of the line, and small o move down to the line, and capital O move up the line. And command line. See, if you want to go top of the line, G, escape mode GG, and bottom of the line, capital G, GG and capital G, just small gg and capital G. See, GG top of the file, and GG top of the file, and capital G or shift G bottom of the line. So here YY to copy the line in here. Okay, YY it is going to copy and pasting here. Before it is copied, so it is pasting that only. if I am going to copy 3 lines from starting, 3yy is a command and paste. See what I wrote here. So it is copying before one only, already it is copied, right? So that is only copying. In color code, these two commands is not working. I will show these two commands in our main server. Okay. YY and P. Yeah, now it is working. YY and P. So YY and P, it is working. Just will refresh again. It will work. So it is the free server, right? So it is not refresh. Some కొన్ని చేంజెస్ ఉన్నాయి దీంట్లో ఫ్రీ సర్వర్ కాబట్టి. సో ls again create some lines I wrote here set number, totally 20 lines are there. Totally 20 lines, I am removing 20 lines, totally 19 lines are there. Now gg to top of the file and top of the content and capital G bottom of the content, yy and p I am pasting this one. So coming to up to 11th line, 3yy and p, 3 lines are copied. See, otherwise fds is there, fdsa is there, fd is there, right? So I am copying this 3. See, fds and fdsa, fdsa, it is printing 3 times here. See, 3 times it is printed here. Like that we are copying and we are pasting here. So see here, sorry, pasting, p for paste and 3p for copied the 3 times. See here, same 3yy and 3p, same it is copying like this. And deleting, go to the last line, dd it is delete, dd it is delete, dd it is delete, 10 dd, go to the top 10 dd. So go to the first line and 10 dd, 10 lines is deleted, 10 lines there, 10 lines is there, 2 dd, 2 lines deleted, 4 dd, 4 lines deleted, and 5 dd whole deleted, 5 and more, right? So 5 dd whole deleted here. And u for undo already showed. So and again open the file, we have content because of I didn't so give me a second. Okay, now VAM file, we have some content, some more lines. Here I am going to search, what is the word I am going to search? DF. So here DF is there and here DF is there, here DF is, so it is going to first line, where is the DF. So I want to print, I am going to search this one only, paste. See, here it is going to that line. If you want to go and print some another word here, see BNFDS, so it is going to this line. Like that we are going to print here. And if we'll go on to set number, right, first. So if we'll go to 15th line, directly click like this, and 20th line, directly give shift column 20th line. 45 don't have 45 line, so it is going to the last line, or 56, it is going to the last line. We don't have 45 and 56 numbers. Understand up to here?
Okay.
So file permissions. Okay, file permissions, సో ఫైల్ పర్మిషన్ చెప్పేసి క్లాస్ ఎండ్ చేద్దాం. నాకు కొంచెం బాగా ఎర్లీగా పడుకుంటా. ఈ ఫైల్ పర్మిషన్స్ వరకు చెప్పేస్తా.
ఓకే ఓకే.
సో WQ, సో ls, we are giving ls, so file will come. If we'll give ll, the permissions also come like this. So this is the full permission. What here have, this is the full permission. Suppose we have file, right, I am giving ch1 777 is the full permission. 777 is the full permission. Now check it in. Change ch mode 777. Sorry, it is I changed the ownership here, but we need to change the, see, before we have normal permission for our file, this. Now I gave full permission, it is coming as a star mark. So read write execution, RWX, read write execution permissions. See here, see, we are seeing like this in the server. So read write and executable permission, R is read and W is write and X is executable permission. So 4 is the read permission, 2 is the write permission, and 1 is the executable permission. Totally 7. So here 3 variations are there. 3 variations are there here. 3 variations. So here what we are seeing, read write executable permission, right? First one is user, group, other permissions. If you go here, 3 types of permissions are there: read write and read write and read write executable. Read write executable, read write executable, read write. First one is user, and second one is group, and third one is others. So first one, user permission. We have users, groups, and other permissions are there here. If you create the user, that is the permission. If you create the group, that is the one permission. If you create some other files, these files are there, right? Default files, like that. Some we are creating some different category files. So those indicated user groups and executable permissions here. So we gave full permissions here, so it gave read and write, read and write executable, read and write executable, read and write executable, read and write executable. Same here also for user group and others. So now what I'm doing, chmod 644 permission, regular permission I am giving for our file. See, read and write means 644 I given 6. If you count the 6, 6 plus 2, read plus write. So read plus write came right for user, and for group 4 I given 4 means read only. For others I given 4 only. Same 4 is R here, 4 readable permission. So user read and write, group read, and others read. If I am giving 664, what will happen now? See, read and write, read and write, read and write. If we'll give 666 now, read and write, read and write, read and write, it will come. Read and write, read and write. If we'll give 766, 766, read and write executed, read write. Like that, permissions will come. Use the group other permissions, read and write executable permission. How to change the file permissions here? Chmod is a command to change the file. It is important for interview and real time also, because of if we have our code in some file. Suppose we have code in this file. This compare. Let us assume this is a code. So this code we are going to execute in the servers, right? Without permission we can't execute in the servers. We have read permissions, write permissions, total permissions here. So in the total permissions only it will work to execute it. Okay, understand now? See, chmod user permission, group permission, and other permissions like this. Understand?
Ready.
Yeah.
I have to.
Can we continue tomorrow?